So are you getting everything? If you have doubt, you can ask me. बोलो तुम्हारा कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो. So let us complete the.
कोडिंग पार्ट से ठीक कीजिए ना.
हाँ कोडिंग पार्ट में बोल रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो और फिर भी डाउट होगा तो बोलिएगा. I have not completed till now. So as we are using pin number 13 and pin number 13, that is there a built-in LED is there. So that's why we are choosing set built-in LED and set to high value. We are providing high value to make it on. For what time? For 1 second. Okay. So that's why I chosen here. Wait 1 second. So when we place this block, wait 1 second. Automatically delay 1000 comes. Therefore, if you delete it, sorry, delete the block, so automatically, so delay 1000 automatically gone. Okay, so take delay 1 second, wait 1 second, I am pasting here. So delay 1000 ho gaya. Now you made the LED on, now you have to off. Okay, so take this LED again, duplicate and this. So you have to make built-in LED 0 to make it off. So now set built-in LED to low. Low ho gaya and wait for 1 second. So now see here, digital write 13 number pin is high for 1000 millisecond. That is 1 second, and digital write 13 number pin low for this block. This code has been written here. And wait 1 second. So delay 1 second. So this much is your block you have to use, and this is your code to run the LED. So now avoid the code, start the simulation. So see, LED is blinking here. It is remains 1 second on, 1 second off. Okay. Now you please tell me if you have any doubt regarding your code. So we'll do a few more codes here. Then it will be more clear one by one. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. Otherwise, we will go for designing of LED blinking.
Sir,
Follow.
Sir, 30 number pin is by default is the output link, sir.
No,
Output pin.
0 to 13 number pin, all are digital pin. All the pins can be used as output pin as well as input pin. You are programming in that way, so the 13 number pin must be output. See, dekho, pin mode 13 is output. We are defining here. System does not know until unless you are setting all these things. Because our aim is to glow LED, which is inbuilt and that is connected to pin number 13. So that's why pin number 13 must be treated and must be defined as output. So that's why when you choose this block, set built-in LED to high, इसका मतलब क्या है? Pin mode 13 automatically will be treated as output. Okay. So when this is wait for and it is high, so digital write 13 high ho gaya. Okay, so when you are choosing this block, automatically 13 number pin is being selected as output. So we see some other pin also. Okay, how to use other pins will come later. So this is the case, 13 number pin here is being used as output. So in other purpose, you can use pin number 13 also input. So you can define 13 number pin as input also. Okay, but LED is glowing, that means the pins are being used as output pin. So this is the simple circuit, LED glowing. Okay, So now you can save it. See, for saving it, you click here, shiny full peak or something like that. So you click it here, then you write LED. Okay, LED. You can write the name BM. So LED BM. So that is the file name. Now see, it will be changed to LED BM. So change ho gaya. So it is now saved. So now we'll move for another experiment. Okay. So now we'll stop the simulation. So now we'll use 12 number pin. Okay. So now we'll use 12 number pin. Okay. In spite of 13, now we are using 13 number, 12 number pin. Okay. So now coming to the code portion. So you have to avoid this one. This is not the built-in LED. We are applied LED on which number pin? 12 number pin. Correct. So that's why you have to delete the blocks. Okay. To delete this block also. Sorry. You have to delete the block also. Now weights blocks are there. So in that case, output go to the output. Now the second block, you have to choose second block. Okay, because the LED is being used in the 12 number pin. So you can use 12 number pin, 10 number pin, any other pin. Okay. So that's why set pin this block. Now देखो, set pin 0 to high. So automatically pin mode 0 is output. See here. Pin mode 0 is output. So we are choosing 0 to 12. See 12. So automatically pin mode 12 is being now used as output. Why it is output? Because we are choosing output block. So all the blocks considered as output here. So pin mode 12 is being considered output. So now you have sent high. Now you have to wait it for 1 second. Okay. So now you take this block 1 second for low. Okay. So for low, set pin 12 now low. Okay. So we have sent low. So pin number 13, from pin number 13 we are sending high to the LED for 1 second. Now after 1 second we are sending low to the LED and it will wait for 1 second. So this is your code. Now see the code here. Digital write pin number 12 is high, delay for 1000 seconds. Digital write 12 number pin is now low and it is delayed for 1000 microsecond, a millisecond. So this is the code now. So now we are avoiding it. Now the start the simulation. Now see whether the LED is on or not. Now see the LED is blinking. So pin number 12 is being now used as output pin. So tell me if you have any doubt. So that is the code actually here. So parallelly I am showing the blocks and corresponding code. We are not writing the code here. Automatic codes are written here. Automatically these pins are written here. So now whenever you going for designing, okay, now you can save this code, and when you go for designing real-time analysis, real-time designing, you can use this code also. This code run, okay, if you copy and paste in the Arduino Uno, okay, see here Arduino software is there, this is Arduino IDE, so you can open it. Okay, I am not showing you the harder part, but you can use all those codes for real-time designing because all those codes are okay. Okay, so you can use all those codes for practical designing purpose when you are leveling the discrete components. So it's a great platform. Over here you can design any sort of project, and further you can implement all those codes for real-time application. So it's beautiful. So this is IDE here. So all those codes we can paste here directly. We can just copy and paste, and you run the hardware. So no doubt about that. Okay. So it's a delay. It takes time to open it. So please wait. So please wait for a moment until it is opening. So I can show you how to copy and paste. Just पहले select करो, then Control C मारो, then after opening the Arduino IDE, you just you paste, just Control V. Okay, so that codes are copied and paste here, and you can run the software. You can verify the code, then you can upload the code to the Arduino IDE, Arduino board, and automatically that code will run and your project will run. So just it open here, so you Control A and the Control V. So that code is pasted here, and that code is run, no problem about that if you are having the hardware. So simply that code is being copied and you have pasted there. So naturally that is a great process. So now we'll go for using more than one LED. So then you will be more clear. So we use suppose 3 LED. Okay. So click it. I've given there. So click. You have taken 3 LED. So better I can use breadboard also. Okay, then that will you understand how to use the breadboard also. Okay, so I am using breadboard also. So that delete all the things what I have shown you here. I am deleting all the things, and I will use breadboard also. Okay, so using breadboard we can design the circuit. So देखो यहाँ पे breadboard भी है. See the breadboard. See the breadboard. Okay, so the breadboard is there. थोड़ा स्लो है. Now structure. As you know, because you're using the breadboard. See, this is plus, so that are horizontally connected. This is minus, that is ground, useful ground. They are horizontal point. देखो, so connection is there. So green signal is there, isn't? That means all are connected horizontally. See, horizontally, but see here vertically, vertically. So all the vertical points are equipotential. Okay, they are short circuited internally. Simply the upper case also, but in the upper and lower there is a gap. There is a gap. Okay, so that's why they have given the name A B C D E F G H I J. So you can code also. This is A1. Okay, and this is F1. This point is this four. The coordinate of this 4 is F1. So in that way, but I don't need to write all these codes actually, all those not code, all those coordinates. But when you choosing this point, so computer just automatically knows that F1 pin is selected. F1. Okay. So we need not to write all these coordinates. Okay, all those coordinates we need not to write. We simply click and connect. So this is the all about your breadboard. The lower portion, there is the power supply plus and minus. So we can use plus VCC here, the ground potential here, and similarly the upper portion also, and they are vertically connected just like your breadboard. They are also vertically connected. So now let us go for designing multiple LED. Okay, so we'll use multiple LED. So use LED. बोलो किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो. So we'll use LED. Okay, so this LED is being used here. Okay, so placed here. So we'll use 3 LED. So keep the, just we are giving the gap. So third LED. Okay, now see, you can change the color also. The red is there. Okay, the second is also, sorry, So this LED now change red to some other color. Okay. So just we are choosing green. Okay. So we are choosing green here, and this is blue. Suppose so this is blue. Okay. So three color LED we are using here. Now we'll use resistor. As I mentioned you have to use resistor. So this is one resistor. Okay. This is also one resistor. This is also one resistor. So in the anode side, we are using resistors. Okay. So give the proper value of resistors. It should be ohms, and it should be 220 ohms. Okay. So now it should be resistor 220 ohms. Okay. And as you know the color codes, see if I change the value here, so color codes are being also changed. Dekho, when we write 220, so color code will be something different. Okay, so you visualize the scenario. So beautiful software is we have. Now all the pins we connect this. बोलो कौन पिन में अटैच करूंगा बोलो तुम जो पिन में बोलोगे वही में अटैच करूंगा सपोज we are using phone number pin. Okay, and this is pin number 3. Okay, and this is pin number 2. Correct. Now these are the ground point. Cathode are should be connected at ground. Okay, so take the ground here. So you have to draw the circuit neat and clean. Okay, neat and clean. Then this is grounded. Okay, so change the color. It should be black. So this is ground. So this is ground. This pin is ground. Sorry. This is grounded. Okay. So this pin also grounded. You can connect here also, and this pins we can connect here also. Sorry. Or you can go here also. So all the negative pins in terminals are connected to the ground. So circuit complete हो गया. बोलो किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो नहीं तो और भी एक पचपच हो गया ठीक है इसको मैं डिलीट कर you have to make the circuit clear. Okay, so that anybody
So
after
please
seeing
clear the.
बोलो I'm redrawing the negative portion. Okay, taking this is ground potential. Okay, so now this ground we are giving. बोलो किसी डाउट हो, किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो. This is ground, so this is also ground. Okay, now you have to join this knob also because there is no connection. So this negative is grounded. Now this negative also should be grounded. So you have to have the knowledge of circuit as well as the coding. So दिखने में ये अच्छा लग रहा है. This knob is connected here. And this is connected here. Okay, so now the circuit is completed. बोलो सर्किट डिजाइनिंग में किसी को भी डाउट हो तो बोलो. So it looks beautiful. So we can place anywhere. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go for coding. ठीक है. So coding. So कौन कौन पिन हम लोग यूज किए 2 3 4. ओके. So code. देखो automatically when you are going to write this LED blinking 13 number pin built-in LED may be there. तो चलो output block set pin.
Sir, hello. Sir, please show the circuit.
बोलो.
Okay, sir. I want to see because I am also doing.
And I will share this video also because that will be more helpful. Okay, you may forget. Okay, no doubt about it. You may forget, but you just see the video also how I am drawing. So now try to make the code. Okay. So pin number 2, the D2, D2, D3, and D4 we have used here. So we are designing 2, 3, 4 pin as output. So that's why we have clicked output blocks, and definitely we'll choose set pin 0 to high. So that code. Okay. Now correspondingly, you observe the right side also. That is also changing. So pin number पहले क्या है 2 है. So I am taking it 2 to high. Then we'll take control. That means we have to wait now. We take it. Wait for 1 second, no problem. Now you duplicate all the block. And now that should be pin number 3. Sorry, यहाँ पे low होना चाहिए. Okay. Now 1 second wait, then okay. Pin number 2 make it low. Okay. So pin number 2 is low, then wait for 1 second. Okay. Now duplicate the code. Now we'll use pin number 3. Pin number 3 high 1 second, then pin number 3 low for 1 second, then so pin number 2 3 हो गया, and that should be 4. Wait for 1 second.
4 should be high, sir. 4 should be high.
4 should be high. Okay. Then duplicate. It should be low. Then wait. So हो गया. Okay. So that is the blocks here. Okay. Now correspondingly see the code has been written over automatically. Okay. So देखो pin mode 2 output, pin mode 3 is output, pin mode 4 is output. Okay. And void setup, it is run one time. This portion runs one time. Okay. And loop is running continuously. Okay. As I told you in the beginning class. So now whether it is okay or not, let's start the simulation. Okay. देखो रन हो रहा है, रेड, देन क्या हो रहा है, रेड, देन पिन नंबर थोड़ा चेंज हो गया शायद, 2 3 4, pin number 2 high, 1 second, 2 is low, wait for 1 second, pin 3 is high, 1 second, 3 is low, sorry.
Yes, sir. It is starting from blue LED, sir.
Pin number high, yeah, because pin number 2 means it is connected with blue, okay, then it will be pin number 3 means green, then red, okay, देखो देखो green, then red, first class, so it's working. तो किसी को ये डाउट है तो बोलो. So I will teach you the coding, everyone. If you are cooperating with me, if you cooperate with me, I can definitely teach you the coding process. So बोलो ठीक है कि नहीं, कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you are knowing something gradually. Okay. So it's a interesting and beautiful platform. ये ठीक है ना, वो हार्डवेयर में अब तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इसलिए क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस में हो रहा है ऑनलाइन में. तो इस एंड जो मैंने जो ब्यूटीफुलनेस क्या है ये कोड का, ये जो कोड है ना, तुम इसके रख के जब तुम्हारे पास एलईडी होगा और जब तुम्हारे पास आर्डिनो यूनो होगा, सो यू कैन हैव दैट कोड, ओके, एंड यू कैन यूज ऑल these codes when you will have the hardware. So you can implement all these codes for the real-time design also. These are true. Not necessarily it will work only on this platform. It will work on your real time also. Okay. Are you getting my you?
Yes, sir.
What I am
Yes,
telling
sir.
you? This code basically true for your real time operation also. So see, we are having lots of blocks out there, and how we are placing that, I think you have understood. And whenever you are placing the blocks, correspondingly, your C-type code, okay, is being generated automatically here. So we, yes, we got the result, and I can share this also. Okay. So you have to draw the circuit very neatly and cleanly. Okay. तो ये क्या हुआ हो गया, ये पहले एलईडी, दिस एलईडी ब्लू एलईडी is on, then green LED, then red LED. Okay, so I'm giving you home task, everybody you practice it. Okay, everybody practice it, and if you find any problem, uh, then you can tell me. You use RGB LED. Okay, you run the RGB LED. ये सिंगल एलईडी है, लेकिन सिंगल एलईडी में red, green and blue, 3 LEDs is there. I'm showing you here. Okay, I'm showing you. So therefore this is green, this is blue, this is cathode, that means it's grounded. Okay, and from right side the third pin is grounded, and this is red, and each and every pin you will use resistor. Okay, 220 ohms resistor. Okay, otherwise it will be burned out. So that is the thing. Okay, so you use RGB. If you got any doubt, I can show you the next class. So in that way, you have to practice all the things. So this is saved now. Okay, we can modify this circuit also. देखो ये जो एलईडी था पहले ग्रीन ब्लू देन ग्रीन देन रेड था. Now you change that code, all the LED will be glowing at a time and all the LED will be off at a time. धीरेन्द्र समझ गया ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? सभी को मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
So we'll do that one. Okay, we'll do that one. So you must practice at home. Okay. बोलो मजा आ रहा है क्या तुम लोगों का?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
श्योर. और सर ने पूछा
सर
कि
इसको मोबाइल में परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं?
हैं?
सर मोबाइल में परफॉर्म करना होगा सर इसमें?
मोबाइल में
कर ही रहे, हो रहा है,
मोबाइल में नहीं होगा.
हो रहा है सर.
हो रहा है लेकिन मैंने पढ़ा था बोला था जे मोबाइल में नहीं होगा. ठीक है हो जाएगा तो ठीक है अच्छा ही है.
नो सर, अगर सर मोबाइल में सर डेस्कटॉप साइट में अगर यूज करेंगे ब्राउजर को तो मे भी हो सकता है सर.
मैं भी हो सकता है.
हाँ
लेकिन-
हो रहा है, डेस्कटॉप साइट में ही हो रहा है.
हाँ हाँ लेकिन मैंने पढ़ा था ये विवो में तो बोला था कि नहीं होगा तो मैं तो करके नहीं देखा क्योंकि लैपटॉप में होगा तो अच्छा होगा है बेहतर होगा. इफ यू आर हैविंग लैपटॉप्स सो यू डू दैट वन. इफ डोंट हैव लैपटॉप्स तो इफ मोबाइल में हो रहा है तो यू ट्राई ओवर देयर. But definitely after 1 month you will be a good programmer on Arduino. I am sure about that. Okay. Now we'll change the program little bit. Then खत्म कर दूंगा आज के लिए. So मैंने क्या बोला? All LED will be glowing at a time. Okay. So अच्छा तो क्या होगा? Delete the box. Delete the box. Delete the box.
Means sir, all LED will glow simultaneously and after
Yes.
that they will off.
Yes. So therefore LED 2 number pin में जो है high, 3 number pin high, 4 number pin also high. Then wait for 1 second. Also delete. You just copy all the block, duplicate and paste here and make a low. All these LEDs are low. Then wait for 1 second. Correct हो गया. देखो blocks plus text देखो प्रोग्राम चेंज हो गया. High, then wait, low, then wait. So start simulation. Code को हटा दो. हो रहा है बाबू?
Yes, sir.
So you practice all these things. तो तुम घर में एलईडी के लिए तुम एक्सपेरिमेंट करो 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और जैसे मैं कुछ पैटर्न हाँ कर लो. So we'll take this class on next Saturday. आज के लिए इतना ही है. Okay. So if you are interested, I will be interested. Okay. If you are not interested, I will not be interested. तुम लोग इंटरेस्ट होगा तो मैं सब कुछ छोड़ के तुम्हारे पास आ जाऊँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. but you have to be serious. ठीक है? तो खत्म करते हैं आज के लिए.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So ठीक है. Thank you all of you. So you practice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You practice LED glowing at your home. Okay. And we'll if you have any doubts, you can ask me also. But you practice it. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही.